A case of Castillo versus Republic, GR number 214064. For the facts, Mirasol and Felipe started as friends, then became sweethearts, and then they got married and were blessed with two children. Thereafter, the couple's relationship turned tumultuous and sour. Mirasol filed a complaint for declaration of nullity of marriage before the RTC. The RTC declared the marriage between Mirasol and Felipe as null and void. On appeal, the CA reversed and set aside the decision of the RTC for failure to present sufficient evidence to prove the psychological incapacity of Felipe. The issue now here is whether or not the totality of evidence presented warrants psychological incapacity under Article 36 of the Family Code. It was held that no, because psychological incapacity has been intended by law to be confined to the most serious cases of personality disorders, clearly demonstrative of an utter insensitivity or inability to give meaning and significance to the marriage. It must be characterized by gravity, juridical antecedents, and incurability. The court finds that there exists insufficient factual or legal basis to conclude the psychological incapacity of Felipe as contemplated by law.